Mental health services for children and adolescents are the single greatest challenge that we see in this valley. And now that we have added to the original 50-acre campus here in Madera and created a 300-acre campus, we have matched up the greatest need with the biggest opportunity. We're very happy to have the partnership with UHS be announced. It's certainly setting us along a path that will have a dramatic and immediate impact in the health and well-being of kids that have mental health conditions.
When we think about what makes a community healthy, part of that equation is access to care. Physical health care, mental health care. And the more robust that network of care is, the healthier our overall community actually is. And every place I've been in the last decade doing work for hospitals in the Valley, the number one question people always ask is, where can I get behavioral health care for my kids, my son, my husband, my brother?
We have seen almost 450 children that have presented in acute psychiatric crisis from October 1 to July 31. Out of those, 78 children required acute psychiatric hospitalization. Out of those 78, 20 remained local, but the other 58 children were required to be transferred out of area. We had not enough local psychiatric beds to be able to meet the need of their crisis and to provide the ongoing treatment services they needed to be safe and be discharged back to the care of their families.
And we've seen a decline in the past couple of decades of about 42% in the number of psychiatric beds across the state, and particularly for youth. The need for beds has increased for a number of reasons, but we definitely need beds and we don't have them.
I think the idea has been underway for a number of years, and it has come to fruition at a really important time for our valley and all of us who live here in terms of the health of where we live and the place we love to call home.
For so long, our communities have not gotten access to the services close to home that they needed, but we really are very excited and hopeful that so many families are going to benefit from our partnership with UHS in creating an inpatient mental health hospital right here on the Main Valley Children's Campus.